Let's say sounds of letters. هنقول مع بعض أصوات الحروف. A says B says C says D says E says F says G says G H says برافو عليكم. I says J says K says L says M says N says برافو عليكم. O says وليها صوت تاني تقول ايه؟ very good. P says Q says R says R says S says T says G says U says U says V says V says W says X says Y says yeah. Z says Z says Excellent, you are great.